So as we get ready for the eclipse that's coming to Rochester in about 6-7 days, this seems like a good video to kind of shoot, to share with you some of the experiences that my wife and I had over the weekend, being at another Airbnb and just realizing the quality of the experience is dependent upon the little things. So, for example, I'm in one of our Airbnbs over here by by East Avenue, downtown. Little things, guys. You know, the presentation doesn't have to be super fancy, but it does have to be neat. It has to be neat. Another thing that is key is, you know, make sure the bulbs are actually going on and off. Little things, small things. Okay. Another really cool, but sometimes overlooked thing is, do you have any hangers? Do you have any hangers? You know, we suggest that each room has about 12, 13 hangers. We were at an Airbnb with no hangers. No, I take that back. Two hangers, and we were a little confused. Another little but very important thing is, you know, make sure your supply cabinet, you know, go and get some supplies. For us, you know, we have folks that help us out with the cleaning. So, you know, we have, you know, these type of locks. These locks work too. But, you know, it's important that if, you know, someone needs something, you don't have to run out and get it. Another quick suggestion. Don't remember the code. Here we go. There we go. Another suggestion is this. As you think about your type of guests you're having, some guests are going to be here for a while. These study desks are not really cost intensive. You can pick one up on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, or order one. And yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Guys, these are not expensive either. Pick some up at Walmart. But, you know, literally, we had an amazing time at that Airbnb. Why? Because my wife is great company. But she just really kind of reinforced, dear, keep the level of excellence high. Because it's not about creating a product that is inexpensive. It's about creating a product that is going to make people comfortable and promote that experience. So that being said, my friends, I'm wrapping up here. I got to run over to another place and make sure everything is in order. Blessings, everybody. But more importantly, bless somebody else. Take care.